Okay, hi guys. Today we'll be covering workflows in this video. To the last video, we created all the commands which are necessary for the to-do listing app. Today with the workflows, we can connect multiple apps and automate our tasks. So what we would be doing today is I would show you a sample wherein when I create an item in the to-do list, I simultaneously send an email to myself saying that the item has been created. Go back into your code. Now here in the create item class, you notice I've added this extra set of lines. The variable example data is created with a mapping from first name title and last name description. Now these names aren't very specific. These two aren't specific. They're just to maintain the JSON. You could use anything here. Title and description are the title and description that you have passed, the original title and description. So what this does is save data in JSON form uh, in your for your file for your class. So to send message dot message data, so the message data function allows you to pass data in the JSON in the format shown here. Ignore the rest of the code for now. Let's go back into YellowAnt. So if you go to the developers section again, now since the create item function is going to use workflows, we have to add output keys to it. So get into manage. Um, you scroll down, you'll see here output keys where you can add and edit output keys. So what you do is just pass the same JSON dump here, pass this here, and fix it to JSON format. So basically in JSON format, everything is a key value pair. So we have a key followed by a value. So as you can see, this is a key value pair, and you can always convert it to your schema here. Pressing convert to schema will do this. Okay, going back. So now that we've created output keys, we have to make workflows. To make workflows, you go back to your YellowAnt dashboard, will command workflows and create a workflow. So when you create a workflow, it opens up this tab. You can create a command workflow. So give the name of the workflow. Since it's already been made once, I have this ready-made, so workflow, and you can give it a name and give it inputs and add inputs. So speed things up. Okay, so as you can see here, the workflow selected is workflow available. I have a command name here as send email for an item creation. So every time an item is created, an email will be sent to me. Uh, as you can see, the inputs are the title and the description. So this is the same as what you do while creating an item. This is the custom command trigger. Further going to the action. In action, you can. I chose the command as send an email. There are a bunch of options available here, so you could do what you please. Let's go back here. So send an email. I should give my own ID here, so I'll be able to receive the mail. The message here, let it be a concatenation of your description followed by this. So that's our message, and the subject would be the title itself. So that's about it for this. Further, let's go into the to-do list option. So here the action inputs are title, which is required for creating an item. Again, here you get your options of commands, the command you want to choose. So for create an item, I gave the title passed as the title required and the description as well. Save it. Now when you get into your Slack, also one thing is your integration ID should be fixed. So while creating it, so choose the integration as whichever integration you want. It has to be specific to an integration. So to-do list 7 is what I have chosen. Um, okay, so now our workflow is integrated with both an email and creating an item. You could just change this name if you choose to. Okay, so now let's get back into Slack. Since we have a one workflow, we'll just type it out. This is the command available. So when I run this command, I'll be able to add the title and description. So let's say to do item 100. Now what this should do is add an item to my to-do list as well as send me an email. Yeah, so as you can see, the to-do item has been added to the list, and also my email has this. So to-do item 100 has description which I provided, followed by hard-coded text. So that's about it with regards to workflows. Now using workflows, you can connect a lot of your applications to each other.